This 2020 Jayco Seismic 4113 double slide, side patio, rear 12 feet 6 inches garage is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 45 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 9, TV, air conditioning, slide-out, self-contained, Skylight, auxiliary battery, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Seismic 4113 double slide, side patio, rear 12 feet 6 inches garage is 17,380 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.